Hello, thanks for your attention on our NECO freestanding. This is Francisco from Santa Lighting. I will introduce our freestanding lamp for your reference. I will describe the product detail and product functions based on your choose item. Firstly, show the product detail. This is the NECO freestanding lamp. Mainly have three parts. This is the lamp head, also the luminous part. The LED brands we use are bridge lux and cell LEDs. And this is the sensor part. Motion sensor and daylight sensor. And this is the lamp port. Also, this point is very important because the lamp head connect to the lamp port connection point and it is seamlessly. The lamp port with control panel and the lamp base. Also, this is another point because the lamp port connect to the lamp base point. Also, it is seamlessly quality. We are focused on the quality of the profile and the powder coating to let the product can send us the simplicity quality. And the luminous is past the tilt testing. 8 degrees front to back, 8 degrees, and 50 degrees side to side. I will show you more test detail pictures by mail later. Next, show the lamp function. This is the control panel. Mainly has 3 buttons. First button can control the indirect light. When we short press the first button, we can turn on or turn off the indirect light. When we long press the first button, we can dim in the indirect light. Let me show you now. Short press the first button. The indirect light is turned off. Short press the first button, the indirect light is turned on. Long press the first button, we can dim in the indirect light. It's very quickly. The second button can control the whole lamp, which means the indirect light and the direct light. When we short press the second button, we can turn on or turn off the whole lamp. Let me show you now. Short press the second button. The whole lamp is turned off. Short press the second button, the whole lamp is turned on. And now show you the third button. The third button is control the direct light. When we short press the third button, we can turn on or turn off the direct light. And when we long press the third button, we can dim in the direct light. Let me show you now. Short press the direct light. Short press the third button. And long press the third button. You can see the dimming of the indirect light. And when the dimming to the light to the mini or mass level, the green indicator will flash for 3 times, like show you now. Dimming to the mini level, flash for 3 times. The start button can control the direct light. When we short press the start button, we can turn on or turn off the direct light. When we long press the start button, we can dim in the direct light. Let me show you now. Short press the start button. The direct light is turned off. Short press the start button. The direct light is turned on. Dimming the long press the start button, we can dim in the direct light.
到了极限，你可以解说一下。
When the light, dimming the light to the medium or max level, the green indicator, as you can see, will flash for 3 times. Let me show you now. Direct light medium level, the green indicator. Max level, flash for 3 times. Now let's show the sensor functions. There are 2 sensors for NECO freestanding lamp. Daylight habit sensor and the motion sensor. This combined sensor is very cost effective. And let's come back to the motion sensor first. When people left in 20 minutes, the light brightness will reduce to 30%, and another 10 minutes later, the light will turn off. And if any time people come back, the brightness will return to 100% quickly. The motion sensor detection angle is 85 degrees, and the detection area is in a circle with 3.5 meter diameter. The brightness is max level. Mini level, about that.